Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to post Carousel on LinkedIn. Go to your LinkedIn account. Click on Start a Post. Click on the three dots right here. Click on Add a Document. Choose a file here. And make sure that the file that you upload is on doc.docx, PDF, PPT, or PPTX, and click on Done. And that is basically how it is. I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching! Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!